So if you're heading into divorce, you want to take a careful look at your finances. At some point, you're going from a house maybe with two incomes to two houses with separate incomes. And so there's some belt tightening that has to happen and some careful budgeting going into the divorce to make sure that you're able to afford the divorce process and come out on the other side financially healthy. When you begin the divorce process, you're going to want to start getting your financial documents in order. Bank records and credit card statements are easy to get. Retirement account benefit statements are important. And if you started that retirement account prior to getting married, you're going to want to go and get a copy of the statement to show how much was in the account at the time of the marriage. And that can take some time, so it's important to start that process early. I think choosing the right lawyer is critically important in a divorce case, and you need to choose somebody that you're going to be able to trust. It's difficult enough when you're going through a divorce where there's child custody issues. You want to find an attorney that you feel like you can develop trust and that you'll take their advice and understand that they really are working towards your best interest. So when you're choosing an attorney for your divorce, you want to find somebody who's going to treat you like a real human and not a client. Somebody who you feel like is going to have your best interests at heart and that you can follow their advice, even if it may not be the thing you want to do at that moment. It's good to have someone who is objective and able to tell you, let's do this instead because you'll get to this better outcome down the road. And so having someone you feel like you can trust and develop trust in goes a long way, particularly if you have child custody issues at hand. It's best to have a good strategy going into your divorce. We start out really with what's the end game, what's the goal, where do you want to be after the divorce? What's your best self, and how do we work towards getting you there? Divorce is unlike a lot of legal practice areas. If you have a car wreck, the facts of the car wreck are the same. They don't change. In a divorce case, the facts are constantly evolving, and how you interact with your soon-to-be ex-spouse, your involvement with the children, all of those things are moving parts during the divorce process. And so you want an attorney you can trust to tell you, don't do this or let's do this in this scenario, and continue to work and build those facts that are most favorable for you and the outcome you want to obtain. So when you're preparing for divorce in Georgia, you want to take a very strategic approach. This is not something that you can rush through. If you want to talk more about our strategic approach to divorce, please give us a call at the Manili Firm.